kudula masiku nditata kudya chakudya changa cha mazulo anzangano ndikagone ndikwire chofunda changa kuti ndizikokelera ndipeza tulo kulota ndiri wachuma kulota ndiri kumucha nyumba ya pamwamba chitowo chuluka woma ndikwadira chimpando cha chifumu kuti ndichikalire ndinazisimuka ine kudandaula zikanakala zoona ndinalemera eti ndinale kumucha Allah sala kwisa nditudindaziwa Allah sala kwisa nditudindaziwa Allah sala kwisa Allah sala kwisa amaipanga muntawi yake kupanga muntu yowolemera amaipanga muntawi yake kupala muntu yowosauka auma sala kwisa Allah sala kwisa mwachizolo wezi siku lina ndagona ndalota nditafa ndiri pamapewa ulendo wa kumanda wosakabwerera ulendo wayambika cha pansi ndinkangomva mawu wasisima ankamveka kuti la ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah la ilaha illallah jalla niponye maso wanga pasogolo panga ndinangowona zenje anzangala ya sama muliyangero opya ine kuchita manta chifukwa choopyedwa ndinazisimuka ine ndinakumudwa zikanakala zoona ndinalimaliro eti ndinalimalemu ndinalimaliro Allah sala kwisa nditudindaziwa Allah sala kwisa nditudindaziwa Allah sala kwisa Allah sala kwisa amaipanga muntawi yake kupanga muntu yowolemera amaipanga muntawi yake kupala muntu yowosauka Allah sala kwisa Allah sala kwisa Allah sala kwisa Allah sala kwisa amaipanga muntawi
MashaAllah. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim.
Download Malawi Nasheeds.
MashaAllah.
Download Malawi
As I
Nasheeds.
wake up in the morning, stretch on my arms wide before I even yawn. Oh, wipe my eyes. I say Alhamdulillah, giving praise to my God for allowing me another day. Bless me to lies. No other than a given moment to cool me on demise. Cause you only have 5 minutes to pray and a second to die. And realizing that I come to terms that one day I'm gonna bend for all my evil acts. I know it's a sincere prayer can only change my fate, so I draw prostrate and pray and to pray for me to to ask for forgiveness, increase my faith, and guide me on the path that's straight, and never leave me astray. Cause I know I can walk this alone. I'm in fear that the fork on the road, the devil's there waiting to claim my soul. So I pray that you hold my hand as I follow your footprints in the sand. Now I know that I did some wrong and been tough to you for so long. So I hit my knees, understand my palms, send this one to you. I hope you hear this. I'll be praying. Find myself stuck, styling in space. Feel like hours at a time, my mind drifting away. Can't quite correct my thoughts or put them in place. And I grab a glimpse of my mama with a head full of grace. I know she will be there now, not for her age. And I think of how I stressed her and showed in her days. How long a sleepless nights, knowing if I was safe or was my name on the list of the dead that day. I sink deep as I feel tear creep down my face. I wipe it away, now my thoughts on life in the grave. I know that day, three things go with you: your family, your weight, and your deeds. But two gon' leave, and when the last person leave that side, the grave is gonna squeeze so tight. Your lips gonna laugh till everyone cry. I dub my head in despair, imagine going through that. Now I know that I did some wrong and been tough to you for so long. So I hit my knees, understand my palms, send this one to you. I hope you hear this. I'll be praying to Allah. I'll be praying to Allah. I'll be praying to Allah. I'll be praying to Allah.
Download Malawi nasheeds.
MashaAllah.
Download Malawi
As I
nasheeds.
wake up in the morning, stretch on my arms wide before I even yawn or wipe my eyes. I say alhamdulillah.
Pomwezi ntru zafika panda tutumuka, sindinali kuyembekeza zingakale chonchi. Ndisaname mbuye wanga mwandilemekeza zikomo. Njira yanga mwaitata ndidangalira, mtima wanga mwautulutsa mundima, moyo wanga mwautata ndi madalitso zikomo. Zikomo, 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 Allah, zikomo, Allah, zikomo, Allah. Bazonse mwandichitira, mwanditulutsa mundima, mwandiwongolera njira. Oh, zikomo, mwanditulutsa mundima, mwandiwongolera njira. Oh, zikomo, zikomo, sindifuna kukhala wodzitamandira, poti nthawi iliyonse inu mutafuna. Zonsezi ndili nazo kukoza kulanda. Oh, ndikudziwa mavuto sangatheretu koma besi ningaleke kuyamika chifukwa mumamva kulira kwanga. Zikomo Allah, zikomo Allah, zikomo Allah, zikomo, zikomo Allah, zikomo Allah, zikomo Allah, pazonse mwandichitira, mwanditulutsa mundima, mwandiwongolera njira. Oh, zikomo Allah, pazonse mwandichitira, mwandiwongolera njira, mwanditulutsa mundima. Zikomo.
AK Production.
When I'm walking in the path of Allah, it's when I realize my life is complete. Ya Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, ihdina siratal mustaqim.
When I'm walking in the path of Allah, it's when I realize my life is complete. Ya Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, ihdina siratal mustaqim.
كلنا خطاؤون ولكني الله أنت غفار. يا الله يا الله اغفر لنا ذنوبنا.
نحن نقيم الصلاة، نحن نؤد الزكاة، نحن نصوم رمضان بسبب مخافة الله.
اللهم أنت السلام يا رب ومنك السلام. حينا ربنا بالسلام وأتوب إليك. اللهم أنت السلام يا رب ومنك السلام. حينا ربنا بالسلام وأتوب إليك. ربنا ظلمنا أنفسنا وإن لم تغفر لنا ذنوبنا لنكونن من الخاسرين. يا الله
ربنا ظلمنا أنفسنا وإن لم تغفر لنا ذنوبنا لنكونن من الخاسرين. يا الله.
So many blessings to you, mankind. When you pray 5 times a day, Ya Allah, takabbar minna صلاتنا في كل يوم.
أنت الفتح فتح لنا الجنة، أنت السميع سمع دعانا، أنت الغفار اغفر لنا ذنوبنا. يا الله.
أنت الفتاح
فتح لنا الجنة،
أنت السميع
سمع دعانا،
أنت الغفار
اغفر لنا ذنوبنا. يا الله.
mbia mbia Galija makobilia chinangolo mbia mbia ulendo wa kudawa kivila na foni ae kusakambia pasa pansikiti kivila na sapato ae kusakambia unembia apano pajilambo pana indu ye jinji nambo kupiganika na mbalawa nini mbia mama pana chacha kulungwa liuvanga vankabila kana ngolanje mbia unejwa kuchuka aselebuli vandu vatametame akuvecheta akuti unejo chabengu sokoni sya chilambo sokoni sya chikongo cha vandu hata musadini jetu jija chisilamu ungwe bungwe katangale yungu dandisya unelina lyangu vani unelina lyangu pia lina lyangu pia mama usagunda ya halali na mwasoni ya haramu Paula kunzigi gabana kukana wasobe kukubatikana Wane kusuma kusani ukele kazangati Wallahi jimatule umoto wani kujana Naulombela akondene jelelo wale kangene valume siamalile mbia wawo yele isene ulimali tonji yelumo kusumisya avele ajawuna analigongo amatile mbia atamusachi masetova wapampamba wageni asitile lelwa kutanda mwana analigongo Nambo vane aliambojele Panjigele Kunsikiti ambele jele zaka Ambele jele sadaka Yakuti unejo cha bepelepo yelengukana Nambo vanduwa unondi mani Jimisianeva unondi chikondi Usagunda ya halali na mwasoni ya haramu Paula kunzigi gabana kukana wasobe kukubatikana Wane kusuma kusani ubele kazagati Wallahi jimatule umoto wani kujana Atandenishi Ngana gavana Chanyenembi Vampelele katundu dwele joku delebe Akunonga na pelega Analigongo Sikiji kapena kukana Kwasube kumupatikana Wale kusuma kusami Upele kasagati Wallahi jimatule umoto Wali ujana Bia mama Bia mama
I've been alone for several years without someone to love. I've been alone for several years without someone to love me. This made me think that life is so unfair. This made me think that life is so unfair. So amazing that finally I found you. That I finally found so you. Amazing that I finally found you. Has favored me. Has favored me. So amazing that I finally found you. That I finally found so amazing that Allah has favored me. Has favored me. It's like a dream that finally I'm having an angel like you. Let's take it high, make it way, make a family. Now I wish we can make this come true. And now I wish we can make this tomorrow. So amazing that finally I found you. That I finally found so you. Amazing that I finally found you. Has favored me. Has favored me. So amazing that I finally found you. That I finally found so amazing that you has favored me. Has favored me. So amazing that finally found you. That I finally found you. Amazing that I finally found you. Has favored me. Has favored me. So amazing that I finally found you. That I finally found so amazing that you has favored me. Has favored me. So amazing that finally found you. So amazing that Allah has favored me. So amazing that finally I found you. So amazing that Allah has favored me.
Anaka mahiri panaka Anaka kimuhudila anaka Ido munoro panaka Muri okotela anaka Anaka mote pananaka Kirihina mote pananaka Mahala wala wanaka Panaka otoro wino hanaka Naka faramuru pane panaka Opiera oruani wanaka hanaka Kapale ukuti wanaka Mukarati wochenjeranaka Mukumbukire kwenyuvoro wa homahameni Irigina hela pona vatino mala Muhudele hanaka Muhudele mumuduele hana Muhudele amowe Muhudele musori Quran Muhudele ababa Muhudele mwiduele swala Muhudele atene Muhudele na volowe ojana Anaka mumara naga Anaka mumudera naga 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 Anaka umara winyo Anaka Munawara para miranaga Don't worry udi anaga 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 duna naranaga Ekirihina kimuhudiranaga Anaga kimuhudiranaga Murumi wa wano taganaga You wanna wasubanaga Nikataname banaga Ekina kwera mugiyanaga Muyeke uhuderanaga Mumudu were muruguanaga Mukumbukire kwinyuvoro wa umahameni Erigina yela pona vadino mara Muhudere anaga Muhudere mumuduere ana Muhudere amowe Muhudere musori Quran Muhudere ababa Muhudere mwiduere shwana Mihudere atene Mihudere naforowe ujana Anaka mumara naga Anaka mabudere naga 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 Anaka mumara naga Hela punavati Numula mwamutu Heniko wewe dunanara Hela punavati Numula mwamutu Heniko wewe dunanara Hompanya mutia Eriheni meta دوارتي ودمورها هتكرهك Umpanya miraha Eriheni meta Muteko wimo kumihatu makami Vano kulele ni dohene Haya kanina ulowe ojana Nihiye nihiye Muhera dora wando Nihiye Muhera dora wando Hela ponava tino mulamwa mutu Heniko wiwa Onanara Hela ponava tino mulamwa mutu Heniko wiwa Onanara Na 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 Hompanya musombwe Pia wana nikolo Hana karate wa hukuta Mowe Hompanya mwana nikolo Eriheni mala Hana lela Hana mwaniwa Obolowela Vano atene Olelo vano mwiwe sese Kinalota tinyeni Amiravu asombwe atiana Hamowe pia papa Mopu wele Hikina munu kusika muda Nimparire muteko Nihiye Era dora wando Muhera dora wando Ya konava tino mulamwa mutu Heniko wiwa Nanara Hera ponava tino mulamwa mutu wiwa Onanara Hera ponava tino mulamwa mutu Heniko wiwa Onanara Hera ponava tino mulamwa mutu Heniko wiwa Onanara
جئت من شوقي أعاني في الهوى جور الزمان أرسل الأشعار لحنا صادقا عذبا وحاني جئت من شوقي أعاني في الهوى جور الزمان أرسل الأشعار لحنا صادقا عذبا وحاني
فجأة من بعد عمري
لن نرى أغلى مكاني
وانكوى مني فؤادي
كاليتيم إذا يعاني فجأة